Hi everyone, Yaku from tutortouch here, and in this video I'll be demonstrating the 3 different ways on how to lock your tutortouch interactive 4K panel. Now the first way is on the Windows operating system and the other 2 are both on the Android operating system. So to start off with the Windows side, as this is a Windows computer, you can log into and out of your accounts by simply pressing the start button, going into your user icon and then saying sign out. Now what this will do is this will take you back to your home screen where you log into Windows, and then if you have a password active, it will ask you to type in the password before you can access the panel. Now the other 2 options do sit on the Android side of the panel, and the first one is a combination key lock, and then the second one is your USB lock. So to show off the combination key quickly, I'm going to go into settings, just go down to password, and then here you'll have to set a password up for your screen. Now please keep in mind that you will have to write this down or remember it, as there's no other way of accessing that password. Now I've already set a password up, and then to go to the lock screen, it's as simple as when you are done with your lesson and say you are leaving the classroom, press the 9 dots, press on the screen lock, and this will lock the screen completely. Now before you can access it again, you'll have to type in your password, and to showcase that I will quickly type in the password that I made, and that will take you instantly back to your panel, and then you have access to all your content. Now the last option is the USB lock. So for that you'll have to have your remote control or your panel remote, as well as a USB with the unlock file that you will receive from us when you purchase a panel. Now to get to this USB lock, you'll have to press input 1379 while pointing the remote at the panel, then go into Android settings and then activate USB key lock. Now you can see mine is turned on. I'm going to turn it off quickly, turn it on again, and as soon as you do that, the panel will be locked and it can't be accessed without the USB unlock. So as soon as I press in the USB with the unlocked file, as soon as it registers the file is on the USB, it will unlock your panel and give you access to your content again. So that was a quick overview on the 3 different methods of how to lock your screen. Thank you so much for watching. Please follow, like and share. My name is Yaku from tutortouch.